Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Ram Promaster 2500. First, ensure you have a set of jumper cables and a working vehicle. Position the vehicles close enough for the cables to reach, but not touching. Turn off both engines and engage the parking brakes for safety. Now, locate the battery in your Promaster, usually under the driver's side floorboard or hood. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Ram Promaster battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Ensure all connections are firm. Moving on to the negative cables. Connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the other end of the black cable, find an unpainted metal part on the engine block or frame of your dead Ram Promaster 2500 away from the battery and attach the clamp there. With all cables connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Ram Promaster 2500. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative from the Promaster, then the negative from the good vehicle, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.